Hello my dear stars, how are you? In this lesson we are going to learn adding with multiplies of tens. So that exercise we are going to see today.
Some additions. But before we do, let's start with this problem. Why was the snake so good at sums? Easy, because he's an adder. Now, let's look at 37 plus 20. As the 3 and the 2 are tens, there is a nice shortcut that allows us to simply add the tens first. That means all we have to do is add the 3 tens, which makes 30, and the 2 tens, which make 20. This gives us 50. And then add the 7. The total is 57. Now, let's look at 18 plus 50. Add the 1 10 and the 5 tens to give 10 add 50, which is 60. And then bring across the 8. The total is 68. This is fun!
Hello, today we are going to do mental arithmetic. Okay, so let's follow. Able to add and subtract multiplies of 10 and hundreds mentally. Multiplies of 100 and tens are useful counting a large number of items or objects. For example, money, etc. So multiplies of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and so on. So let's follow how we have to do. Adding with multiplies of 10. Look over here, adding with multiplies of tens. Okay, so I have written here first question 223 plus 10. Let us see how we have to add. There are two ways you can add in any way. Okay, both the methods are correct. So let me show you the first method, that is 200. So we have to add 2 plus what is here 20. Okay, and then plus 10 is equal to 200. 20 plus 10, how much? It is 30. Okay, so 230 plus this digit. In the place of ones there is a 0. In the place of ones it is a 3. So we have to write here 3 is equal to 233. Okay, this is our answer. Another way is 223 plus 10. Okay, so here 3 plus 0 it is a 3, and 2 plus 1 it is a 3, and 2 as it is. Okay, so 233. Here one's place did not change when they are added to 0, and 100 place also did not change, only change in the place of tens. So look over here, 30 plus 3, 2 plus 1 3, and then 2 as it is you have to write. In the same way in this sum also, 345 we have to multiply by 10. The place of ones and the place of 100 did not change, only change in the place of tens. For example, 5 plus 0 5, and 4 plus 1 5. Now look over here, it's changed, and 3 as it is, right, because there is no digit. Okay, and it is not changed. Look over here, another sum, 345 plus 10. So 300 plus 40 plus 10. So 340 plus 10, it is 50. Then we have to add here in the place of ones 0, here in the place of ones it is 5. So we have to add 5 is equal to 355. 50 plus 5, 55. Because there is no digit here, 0. So we add only one digit here in the place of ones. Or another method is in this way. So 5 plus 0, 5. And 4 plus 1, 5. In the place of ones and in the place of 100, same as it is, we have to write. In the place of tens, we have to add. It's changing. Now we add the following. Just look over here. Example 1. We have to add 374 plus 10. Let us see. Now we have to add 374 plus 10. Now what will be the sum? 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 1, 8. And 3 we have to write as it is. Only change in the place of tens. Now look over here. 286 plus 30. Now we have to write in this way. So, you know the place of ones, tens, 100. Here 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So 11. 1 I have written here below the 3. The another one, the place of tens, we should write on top of the 100. Okay? And then we have to add 2 plus 1, it is 3. So now you got this answer. In this way you have to do.
Simple sums. So we're going to do the sum 6 plus 3, which is two one-digit numbers. Okay, and we can count on because they're quite low, and we can work that out. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 is our answer. But what we're going to do is we're going to use what we know about that to work out another question. So let me show you this sum, 60 plus 30. Okay, now that looks like it's a harder sum, but actually it's the same thing. Because I've got nothing in my ones column, I'm doing nothing. I'm not adding anything together, I'm not taking anything away. 0 plus 0 is 0, isn't it? So that's going to stay the same. So 0 ones plus 0 ones is 0. So now all I need to do is my 6 tens plus my 3 tens, which if you look and notice, it is the same 9 as above, because we've got 6 and 3. So 6 tens and 3 tens and 9 tens, 6 ones and 3 ones and 9 ones. So here I'm saying I've got 9 tens, so 90. Brilliant. And then if I move even further down, if I've got 600 and I'm adding 300, again, now I'm adding two 3-digit numbers and it looks like it's going to be more difficult, but again, we have in our ones and tens column now both zeros, and zeros plus 0 is going to be nothing. So those aren't going to change. Now I just need to add my two hundreds numbers, 6 plus 3 again. So there you can see there that pattern shows us that all we actually need to know how to do is to add two one-digit numbers, and then we can add these multiples together. Let's have a look with another one. Let's do 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is an easy sum for us to do. 4, we can even do it on our hands. 4, 5, 6. We've added 2 on and we're at 6. So that means we can easily do now, I don't have to think about it, 40 plus 20 is going to be 60. And 400 plus going to be 600.